Welcome to the ESChat tutorial on surveillance channels. In this video, we will discuss the use case and benefits of surveillance channels, and then demonstrate how to initiate or join a surveillance call. Once in the call, we will display a list of call participants and their real-time location on the ESChat map screen. Designed for law enforcement, surveillance calls are best suited for tactical and surveillance operations. There are two primary differences between surveillance channels and standard closed channels. The first of these is the hang timer setting. The hang timer determines how long a call will stay active when no one is transmitting. Unlike a closed channel, which has a default hang timer of 30 seconds, surveillance channels have a default hang timer of 1 hour, and if desired, this can be extended to a maximum duration of 2 hours. The extended hang timer supports behaviors typical of surveillance operations, where there are often long periods of silence between talk bursts. The second primary difference involves joining a surveillance call. Unlike closed channels, where channel members are automatically joined into the call, surveillance channel members must individually join the surveillance call. We will begin by initiating or joining a surveillance call. Surveillance calls are initiated and joined in the same manner. First, select the desired channel by activating RX and TX. See the PTT button turn green. Press Push to Talk to transmit on the channel. It is important to remember that each participant must individually join the surveillance call. To view the in-call list, swipe left on the channel. The in-call list displays in-call information, such as the active call participants and who is transmitting. To see the location of call participants, select the Map tab. Here, ESChat will display the real-time location of all call participants. Location pins will change color based on the transmission status of the call participants. If you have multiple calls active, press the Call widget to view the expanded mode. The Expanded Call widget allows the management of up to 4 active calls simultaneously. To transmit on a different channel, select TX on the desired channel. Then, press the PTT button. The call will idle timeout when the configurable hang timer expires. To manually end the surveillance call, users must ensure RX and TX are deselected. To exit the Expanded Call widget, press anywhere outside the Expanded Call widget window. For additional assistance, contact ESChat support 24/7, 365.